Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a unboxing videos. So yeah, I'm going to save these two for last. Open this guy up right now. This is a shirt. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Here's the front. Yes, I bought a Zenki merchandise, but yeah. I'll be wearing this guy tomorrow. So yeah. There, and that's the back, and you saw the front. And I got a XL. Even though I'm skinny, I'm just tall. This shirt I'm wearing right now is an XL, and it's like right here to me. And that's how I like it. I just know that's my little snack. But yeah, let's see what this one is. I'm taped over my address and everything like that. Okay. Oh jeez. Which one is this? Ugh. Okay. Oh, ripcord. This is the okay. Red one. Oh, this is the Hasbro. Wing attacker. So yeah. Wing attacker. Another piece to my collection. Oh, Kate. Okay. Oh God, Kate right here. Yay. Okay, let's see what the next one is. I actually know what the next one is now. Okay. Ooh, that's yeah. Okay. Always cut away from yourself. Oh God, whoa, not toward yourself. Okay. Yep, this is the hopper. Another hop Beyblade. Just ignore the background. Well, that looks pretty good. I can put that back on there. But yeah, like a mint besides this and this. Looks really good. Well, yeah. This is what this short little unboxing is. So yeah. There's some more bays, oxygen bays, and merchandise, Zenki's shirt. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.